I'm going to Bulacan, guys. Those who are Filipinos, you know Bulacan. I'm going there. Especially, I'm gonna find my house. There we go. No, that's not my house. I'm still finding it. Here's the Sharon and 5-star. Here's the gasoline pump. You see that? And here's Chesterfield. And this is the road. And this is my little sister. So guys, I still haven't found my house. So I'm gonna pause this for a moment. My brother, yeah, he's recording my little sister. Yeah. So guys, you still haven't seen my house today, so I'm gonna spend. What the hell? Boss beat. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Chesterfield. Harley jump shop. Side na ito. Ilog. It reached with. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pause this now. So guys, we're almost at my house. Just wait. You can see my house later. Just wait, guys. Okay. Just wait. Also, guys, it's almost at my house. This Cocoy truck, and this is. It's almost at my house. I can see it. It's almost, guys. Sorry. I'm gonna end this now. I can't show my house really. It freaking. I lost it. I lost the house. You can't guys see it. Bye bye.